Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to change market watch time in MT5, full guide. Open MetaTrader 5 and press Ctrl+M to reveal market watch, then right-click inside the panel to view symbols and properties. Choose the instrument, select the time frame you want, and apply changes to see updated time labels. If needed, attach a chart to confirm settings and repeat for multiple instruments to keep your workspace consistent and organized. To set timeframes conversationally, pick a chart and open the timeframe drop-down located on the toolbar, then click the period you prefer. For faster work, use predefined options like M1, M5, or H1, or create a custom timeframe for specific strategies. Confirm the new timeframe displays correct candle times and adjust your template if it affects indicators. Repeat across charts to keep analysis synchronized and efficient. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation: Droplet Stay Hydrated Anywhere with the Oala water bottle, perfect for long trading sessions and late market hours. I placed a link and other deals in the description so you can check them out. Thanks for watching this short pause. Now let's get back to the video. Server time matters, so check the broker's time in the terminal to understand any candle offsets and align your analysis. When an option exists, adjust the GMT offset to match your local schedule or preferred trading session. Save templates after changes and restart MetaTrader 5 to ensure all charts and market watch reflect updates. This keeps your trade timing consistent and avoids confusion when comparing multiple instruments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.